So hello everybody. So our work for today is exploring TinyGrad. TinyGrad is a machine learning framework. It's supposed to be equivalent of PyTorch or uh, TensorFlow. I don't know anything about machine learning. I haven't done anything yet, so it's gonna be new for me. But they say this is the documentation, and they are selling something like TinyBox. TinyBox is sort of TinyBox. There is a documentation. The TinyBox is sort of computer which has a lot of GPUs and it's specified for training neural networks. It looks like this, something like this. It is a box, it has 6 GPUs and it's expensive as fuck, and there is an equivalent NVIDIA. They're selling something similar, I guess. I don't know if they get inspiration from TinyBox, but it looks pretty similar. Products. Quadro. There is boxing. Oh, there's there is a lot of similar things, but I guess TinyBox uses AMD graphic card and it uses NVIDIA GeForce as well, I guess. So there is like 6 graphic cards. It looks similar inside, like a mining rig for a crypto, I guess. And TinyGrad is sort of framework which is supposed to like you can train your neural network on the TinyBox with this, and there is supposed to be a lot of options how to do training, I guess, or something in this yeah, something in this sort of way. I'm pretty new to this, so I guess today will be a lot of learning. And yeah, so they suggest you should start by try to MNIST tutorial, and MNIST tutorial is sort of neural network for recognizing letters. So there is a sort of data set, I guess. And it is this data set. It looks something like this. It has sort of written numbers, and so it's a big data set, and it will train on this, and then it's supposed to recognize numbers. Yeah, and that's what we should do today to start our TinyGrad journey. What did PyTorch say? PyTorch. Do they have some introduction how to start here? This is PyTorch people. They are like PhDs from somewhere, so I guess I found out that like if you have lectures, college or university lectures is always so hard to understand thing, and if you want to learn, it's better to use it for something, and then you learn from that. So what is the meaning of the thing? But usually the university will just teach you a lot of like stuff you don't understand anything from. Blah blah blah. Tutorials. If you get started in PyTorch, there is whoa, whoa, whoa. Examples, basics. And what I think it is, like the neural network, it's just a matrix of vectors, I guess. And then you have like a vector, and it has sort of weight, which is the number, like how probable is this part goes here, like something like this, I guess. But we'll see in a couple of days if I imagine it right, or is it if it's not that. Yeah, so we have here. I did a couple of examples, I guess, like a year ago or 2 years ago or something like that, but I didn't understand all this thing, I guess. Gradient. Yeah, I guess I need to learn basics first, I guess. And I understand there is also some sort of thing which is called convolution, and convolution is like the. It's not multiplying matrix, it's not adding matrix, it's not, but it's another thing, which I never heard before. It's convolution. I don't even know in my language what does it mean. I guess convoluce. It's like never heard about this before. Correlation, convolution, cross correlation. Alrighty, still don't know what it is. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Whew. Transformation. I have no idea. Okay, so we're gonna start somewhere from I guess somewhere on the middle, and just try to understand it from working on it, I guess. That's how we can approach this. I I I, uh, I watched some LLM videos, and this LLMs are like a really weird training of a thing, and I don't understand how it's possible that like this ChatGPT, it understands thing, or at least it looks like it understands, because if you ask it for example, like ask what is I don't know, for example, ball. Can be sport equipment, blah blah blah, something like that. So do you understand? So what ball does when you let it go from your hand? It fall on the floor. It was better with the arrest. Essentially, his weapon basic gravital Earth interprets gravity. So, do you? So it's pretty much like knows that it will do something, or what it is, like, and what's difference, what is different between ball and, I don't know, cube. Ball is round, cube is not. But from this, you can sort of feel like it knows what it talks about, which is really weird because like you ask like what is ball, how you define it, what it does when you, like, for example, like throw it on the wall or whatever. And if you do like this sort of cross check, like it looks like it knows what it is, but it didn't see it before. And I ask like if it understands just from the words and definition, and it does somehow. But like, for example, like if you read the book, and in the books you don't have images, but somehow you imagine, like, for example, like how the Paris look like in 19 I don't know 1895, and there is a description like there is a like a smell from sewage, and like the horses, and you can imagine in your head, like, so pretty much from the book you can understand everything. So pretty much LLM can understand just from like texts describing stuff. This is interesting. And just distill it in the in in like a big neural network of the words, how it goes, next word prediction. It's interesting, like, how is this possible? Okay, this is a short sample.